Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick video. We're gonna show you why it's important to rip the felt off your roof and go all the way down to the deck. So this here is organic felt, right? This is what was the first layer of protection, the primary, I guess, the second layer. You want to remove this and expose all the wood to be able to inspect the decking to see if there's anything that's rotted out. And the only way to check if your wood is good is to remove the felt. You see those white spots right there? Those were leaks that were happening. And if you don't remove the felt, you won't be able to see those spots. You got to remove everything off the roof. When you're walking on here, you got to be careful. See, so typically in San Antonio, it's common to leave the felt on. You see that right there? Once we remove the felt, we're able to fix this, replace it, nail it back down as it should be. The only way to inspect and to check if your decking, the wood, is sound is to remove it. See this right here, this board is loose. We gotta nail it down. All this stuff has to come off. There's a good example right here. You see this right here? If you leave the felt on, you don't know you have this. So this needs to be replaced. Take a look over here, guys. There's another spot right there that needs to be replaced. This is why you got to remove your felt all the way down to the deck, to the bare wood, to be able to inspect the roof properly. All right, guys, that's it. See you guys on the next one.